Hello, this is Saké. We're creating a trustless system for under-collateralized loans through a credit score. This is the Saké team. DeFi space lacks under-collateralized consumer loans. We believe people need access to more leverage for DeFi to compete with the traditional financial system. This is the current interface that the user sees. Once they connect to a lending pool that they like the terms of, and here they can enter the credit tokens that they're willing to stake, as well as the loan amount in way and their loan length. They then go through MetaMask to create a loan, confirm the transaction, and once that is loading, let's take a look at this diagram. So we start here with the borrower. The borrower goes through the front end and picks the lending pool they like. Once they have picked the lending pool generates a loan contract for the user, which takes the funds from the pool and gives it to the user, and the user puts up credit tokens to stake as collateral. And let's refresh the page because the transaction has been confirmed, and we see here the loan contract that we have created. This is the loan amount, the credit token stake, the interest rate, and the length of the loan. We then go through MetaMask again to initiate this loan contract because we need to fund it with a fee. And the fee is around 1.5%, so we will send a little more. Change the gas limit to be higher while that is going on. So the custom lending pool is actually created by the lender who chooses their desired risk parameters, and once that money enters the pool, they receive like a certain reward that they choose, and it gets deposited into an Aave lending pool, which then gives it to the borrower through credit delegation. So the lending pool vouches for the borrower. So now that we have confirmed this transaction, we look here and their credit token balance has been hit since they have currently taken out a loan. This is the remaining loan balance. So this is counting for the interest rate, and we have sped up the time. So now we're going to pay off this loan by simply sending money to this contract. So we're going to send money again to cover it. And I will send extra because whatever is not necessary, the contract will just send back to the user. So now that is loading. Now, since it got confirmed, let's refresh the page. And we see here that they have gained 12.2 credit tokens. And now the loan has been paid off completely. And that is basically it for the user interface. And now what we want to work on in the future is implementing identity solutions such as Bright ID or Circles, lending pool aggregator to combine the power of multiple lending pools, implement a governance token incentive mechanism, as well as add NFTs to track average loan activity in order to prevent some Sybil attacks from the system. Thank you for your time, and this has been Saké.